In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip emotes in Untitled Boxing Game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip the emotes that you have acquired through playing Untitled Boxing Game and how to preview all of them. So all that you have to do is press 2 on your keyboard. As you can see for PC, it is an option right beside the option to punch. So once you press 2 or you click on this icon, you will be able to see all of the emotes that you currently have. As you can see, all that we have to do is hold down on any of these slots to change emotes. It is also going to tell us how to get new emotes so they can be earned in a game as a random drop or for 25 Robux. And we can also do slots here at the bottom right. You will get one free emote the first time you open this window, and all that you have to do to switch is press and hold. So as you can see, now that I'm holding down, I'll be able to select Penguin. Now that I have the emote, I can go ahead and click on it. So all that you have to do is open the emote wheel, click and hold on any of these emotes, and you will be able to change them. So as you can see in this example, I'm changing all of my emotes into the penguin emote. And this is all you have to do. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Every time that you open the emote wheel and you hold down on these emotes, you will be able to change them. This is going to work for any server that you connect into on any option that you have. So even if I switch servers here, I join again, or even if I had a private one, the emote wheel would function the same way. So all that you have to do is join, open the emote wheel by pressing the button at the bottom of the screen here, or 2 on your keyboard, and then changing the emote from all of the options that you have. To acquire new ones, you will get them as random drops or for 25 Robux, and of course you can always go over here to the slots to get them. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip emotes in Untitled Boxing Game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.